Fast-paced montage of students using AI tools, a teacher interacting with a smartboard, AI-powered chatbots responding to questions. Imagine a world where every student has a personal tutor, classrooms adapt to your learning speed, and education is more engaging than ever. Well, that future is already here, thanks to AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond IQ. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming education and what it means for students, teachers, and the future of learning. Let's get started. Segment 1, AI-powered personalized learning, a student using an AI tutor like Khan Academy's Canmigo or Duolingo adapting to a user's learning pace. One of the biggest ways AI is changing education is personalized learning. AI-powered platforms analyze how students learn and adapt lessons to match their pace and style. Tools like ChatGPT, Canmigo, and ScribeSense provide instant feedback, making learning more interactive and efficient. For example, if a student struggles with algebra, AI can provide step-by-step explanations, extra practice problems, and even suggest alternative learning methods, just like a private tutor, but available 24/7. Segment 2, AI in classrooms, smart assistants and automated grading, visuals, a teacher using an AI assistant to check assignments, students interacting with a virtual teaching assistant. Teachers, this one's for you. AI is helping automate grading, create lesson plans, and even assist in answering student questions. This means more time for interactive teaching and less time spent on paperwork. Example, AI tools like GradeScope can grade multiple choice and even some written answers instantly. AI chatbots like Jill Watson, used at Georgia Tech, help students by answering questions, reducing the workload for teachers. The result? More engaged students and less overwhelmed teachers. Segment 3, AI and virtual reality, the future of interactive learning. Students using VR headsets, an AI-powered simulation of historical events, or a virtual science experiment. AI is making education more immersive with virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Imagine walking through ancient Rome, dissecting a virtual frog, or even practicing surgery in a risk-free environment. AI-powered VR makes learning feel like an adventure. Example, AI in VR learning. Platforms like Google Expeditions and Engage VR allow students to explore subjects in ways that were never possible before. It's like bringing the textbook to life. Segment 4, AI's role in accessibility and inclusion, AI-powered speech-to-text helping a student with dyslexia, AI translating a lecture into multiple languages in real time. AI is also breaking barriers in education by making learning more accessible. Speech-to-text tools, AI-powered translators, and adaptive learning platforms help students with disabilities or language barriers get the education they deserve. Example, AI helping accessibility. For instance, Microsoft's Immersive Reader assists students with dyslexia, and AI-powered subtitles help non-native speakers follow along in class. This means education is becoming more inclusive than ever. Segment 5, the future. What's next for AI in education? AI-powered holograms of teachers, futuristic classrooms, students coding AI projects. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict AI will continue to revolutionize education with white heavy checkmark AI-powered tutors becoming even more human-like white heavy checkmark smart classrooms that adjust environments for optimal learning white heavy checkmark AI-driven career guidance based on student skills and interests. But, with all this advancement, there are also challenges, like ensuring AI is used ethically and doesn't replace human teachers. The key is balance, AI as a tool to enhance education, not replace it. AI is transforming education faster than ever, and we're just getting started. What do you think about AI in learning? Are you excited or concerned? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Backhand index pointing down. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the future of tech and education. See you in the next one.